Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So, literally, in this video, we're going to be looking out to best loan apps in South Africa today. And of course, we are going to be looking out to the pros and cons about these loan apps or loan platform you can actually use to borrow a loan in South Africa today, and how much you can actually borrow from all these loan platform, and also what do they actually need from you before they can actually give out a loan to personal users or business owners in South Africa today. So the first one which we'll be looking out to is direct access. So direct access is actually one of the best loan platforms in South Africa today, and if you literally want to apply for a personal loan, all you need to do is to provide your username, your surname, your ID number, phone number, and the monthly gross income, which means how much you literally earn on a monthly basis. This will determine how much direct access will actually borrow you as a loan for personal users. And if you are kind of like borrowing money for a business purpose, and there will definitely be the other way around, which of course they are going to request from you. And once you provide everything needed within this place, you have access to borrow a loan from direct access. And also you need to accept to the terms and conditions regarding direct access and how they actually work. So you need to read through the terms and conditions of borrowing a loan from the platform, so that in case there is any issue, then you will definitely be on the safer side, as well as know what it takes before you can actually borrow a loan from the platform. And borrowing a loan from direct access, you will have the chances of paying back the loan from 24 months to 72 months, which is literally up to 3 years if you borrow a loan from direct access. And you can also say how much you have access to borrow as personal users and business owners who actually need a loan for one or two purposes online. So there are different categories of loan on direct access which you can actually look into in case you actually want to borrow a loan from the platform. So they also have pulse personal loan, consolidation loan as well. So this all depends on the kind of loan you literally want to borrow on the platform, and then you will go for the right one, so you'll be able to get the direct loan straight down to your bank account in South Africa today. The other one which people also try to use is MobiKwik. MobiKwik is another platform which also borrow people loan and also mobile recharge as well. Literally, people make use of this based on if they actually need mobile recharge and pay some electricity bill, credit card, data card, landline, broadband, and some other insurance purposes. That's what people actually use MobiKwik for. And also you can do some other transaction on MobiKwik, which you can transfer to a bank. They also offer some deals, local store, which you can actually find it's more easier to use if you literally don't know much about stores within your area. So this MobiKwik will definitely help you out and figure out most easiest local store around you so that you can actually shop from them. You can also see redeem payback points, which will also be a great way to make money from MobiKwik. And you can also see some other products which are listed on MobiKwik platform, which you can be able to benefit from. You can check them out today and sign up and see what MobiKwik is all about and how it can actually benefit you in one way or the other. The next one is Lime platform. Lime is also another way of getting a loan in South Africa today, and there is no limit on how much you can actually borrow from this platform, but also it depends on how much you actually want to borrow, and also what kind of accounts you hold, the purpose of you borrowing money from Lime. So it can see if you can borrow from 300 RX, so almost 5,400. That's actually correct. You can see on my screen right now, and also the loan tenor, you can actually pick how often or how fast you literally want to pay back the loan you are borrowing from the platform. And you also see the interest rate which you will be paying back if you borrow some certain amount. So this platform make it so easier for you if you borrow a certain amount of loan, and it tells you how much you are going to be paying back. So you don't need to be waiting for them to calculate anything or to proofread or check any account before you will definitely know how much you'll be paying back if you borrow some certain amount of loan. So let's say, for instance, you borrow 300R, so then the loan tenor is 7 weeks, which is literally like more than a month, close to 2 months to be precise. So you're going to be paying this amount. As you can see, you're going to be paying this amount. So that is kind of like 20% or more. That's kind of like 20% or more. I think it's actually more than 20%. That's close to like 40 to 30%. But then it all depends on the one that actually work for you. You can check out the platform today, and then you see how it works, if this one is actually the best for you. But then you can move on to the next one, which I'm going to share with you in this video. So don't rush. As you can see, the Lime loyalty program, which also stated on the platform, you can see how it works, and definitely you will know what you'll be benefiting from the platform before you can actually use the Lime to borrow your next loan in South Africa today. The next one is Faster.co. Faster is one of the best loan app in South Africa today, and also you can get a loan of up to 800, you can say, and from 800 to 8,000. This is so great. This is so great. You can see how it actually works. So this platform make it more easier for you to understand how much you'll be paying back any kind of amount you are borrowing from the platform. And it's quite easy to apply for a loan on Faster loan platform, and you can get your cash in your bank within 10 minutes, as long as you don't have any issue while providing your information to them. And also you can see how the repayment plan actually works: 1 to 2 to 3 months installment if you are kind of like a salary earner and you feel like you actually want to be paying back every month. So that would definitely work for you. Scrolling on the platform, you also see explanation on how Faster loan platform actually works and what you can actually benefit from there. You can see why Faster: 100% online application and self-service, 100% easy, so there is no need of uploading any kind of document before you can actually get access to a loan on Faster loan platform. And it's 100% fast, apply and get approved in minutes, 100% convenient. They pay over 3-month installment, so there won't be any issue regarding probably you borrow a loan now and they actually want you to pay back in just 1 month. So you can actually spread out the repayment plan to 3 months, which you actually have 3 months to pay back any loan you borrow from the platform. So that is how Faster loan platform works. You can find the app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and I'm very sure you'll be able to use this platform to borrow your next loan in South Africa today. The next one we are going to be reviewing in this video is Wonga loan platform. Wonga is another great loan platform in South Africa which you can actually use to borrow a loan online without you moving out from the comfort of your house. You can actually apply for a loan from the comfort of your home as long as you have internet access, and also you can provide everything which you definitely need from you, which are a cell phone number, South African ID number, bank account details, most recent proof of income, because they actually want to borrow someone who will definitely be able to pay back the loan they borrow from the platform. That is why they need a proof of your income, so that they'll be able to know, okay, this is so amount you are earning on a monthly basis, and this is the kind of amount they should borrow you, which of course you'll be able to pay back as at when you choose to pay back. And with Wonga, you can actually get a loan of up to 4,000 within the next 3 months, and also you can pay back as at when you choose to pay back. So far, both of the party actually agree to the terms, which is you that borrowing the money as well as the platform which are borrowing you the money. So you can see how you can actually apply. So choose the amount you need to borrow, choose how long you need to repay back the loan, then you can click on apply now. It's quite easy to borrow a loan from Wonga platform, and you can pay back as at when you choose to pay back. No one will call you, and there won't be any stress for you to be worried about in case you borrow a loan from the platform and you haven't paid back as at when you promise to pay back the loan. So you can check out the platform now and see how it actually works, and also if you will be able to apply for a loan within the platform. The next one which I'm going to share with you, and this is actually the last but not the least, of course, is Nifty Credit. Nifty Credit is another great platform which you can actually use to borrow a loan in South Africa today, and they all have a great interface, and of course that's actually what wow me much when I'm trying to check on the platform and on the mobile app and see how it actually looks like. So in case you are stuck and you literally need fast loan to sort out some bill for personal use, you can check out Nifty Credit in case you actually want to borrow a loan online in South Africa today. So you can check out Nifty Credit on Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the app, then follow all the instructions laid down from the platform to get access to a loan, and you can actually choose how you literally want to pay back the loan which you are borrowing from the platform. So it's quite easy to use Nifty Credit to borrow a loan in South Africa today. After all the platform for loan in South Africa which I have reviewed to you in this video, if you have any other loans you would like me to discuss about, or there is any specific the review you like me to definitely make, so let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to make. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.